Thick and Thin, written by Alison Hawes.
Ken has a thick wool scarf. The thick wool keeps out the cold. Hema has a thin top. The thin fabric keeps her cool. Bev is painting with a thick brush. She likes to paint monsters. Mel has a thin brush. She is painting red dots. Lee has a thin plastic Mac. It keeps out the wet. Mark has a thick coat. It feels soft. Jack has a thick pen. He did this coil pattern with it. Anan likes zigzag patterns. She gets a thin pen. Kim has a pet mouse. It has a long, thin tail. Kevin has lots of pets. His hamster has a short, thick tail. Ben likes big, thick chips. He gets them from a fish and chip shop. Sam likes long, thin pasta. Her dad cooks it.